Hi everyone, this is my status update on the app. So I'm working with Ashley and Lauren on a math app we call Equation Editor. So on this screen you can see that we have this background of a skyscraper because we're using like a superhero theme as our gamification theme for the ninth grade or 8th grade Algebra 1 class. This will be like a supplement to in-class instruction. These three bars are the menu buttons, so this will help them switch between the screens in the app. We titled it Equation Quest. So this week I was working on the rewards page. We have multiple different screens created here. Each of us decided to kind of take a role in trying to tackle different screens. Each of us have different coding expertise. I'm really thankful to Ashley since she has so much more experience than I feel that I do, so I appreciate her insights as well as Lauren's into the coding aspect. Maybe this can finally solve my levels question that I had issue with. Basically Googling and YouTubing and trying to find out how to do these codings. I'm trying to work on how to show progress that they make inside of the answering questions screen, so either in solving equations as the actual questions. Sorry, the unit screen is where they have the units they can pick from, which will then go to the actual questions. So basically getting that database of when they answer it correctly, it will then show their progress on this reward screen. So we were thinking of having multiple different like rewards, progresses, or levels that would give them different in-class rewards, maybe such as like a free quiz pass or homework pass or bonus points or something of that nature. So there could be, I just did a simple one for level progress so far. We're thinking of also maybe adding badges like, if they're like a super poster or something like that, or if they contributed, and they earned all these badges, which maybe indicates some sort of power. So for the coding, I didn't get very far, but this is from Ashley. This is our menu selector from the three bars to get to the different screens. I'm working on having the reward progress bar being set to call the value from the tiny database from the other screen. So like when they answer a question, it would store it, and then since it's supposedly pointing to the same database within the program, it would recall that and then display it correctly. So I'm trying to do like 10 questions would give them like the whole level. So this hopefully would get the score, how many questions they get correct, and then timesing it by 1/10 of the bar, so that whole rewards level would then fill up this whole bar here. I can't really test it because we didn't actually put this database into the questions database yet. We're going to regroup this weekend and try to figure out how to divvy up more of it and get the coding in place. So that's my update for the week. Again, if anyone has solutions, I would appreciate it. I feel like we're all kind of in this together in the coding aspect. Thank you everyone for feedback. I appreciate it. Goodbye.